Hi guys, here 45 plus 9 divided by 3 square is 9 times 8 minus 6 is 2. Here this is 54 divided by 9 times 2. Here 54 divided by 9 is 6 times this 2. 6 times 2 is 12 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this 12 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent, and this is multiplication. M stands for, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we are going to introduce that left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per the PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So 45 plus 9 divided by 3 square times 8 minus 6 is 2. Here next priority is this exponent. So 45 plus 9 divided by 3 square is 9 times 2. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. Multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this before this addition. Here this multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Left to right is this one, 9 divided by 9. So 45 plus 9 divided by 9 is 1 times 2. Here this addition and multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So 45 plus 1 times 2 is 2. Now 45 plus 2 is 47 is the correct answer.